Hello and welcome to Food & Barbecue. Today I'm a bit busy, so I'm gonna make some pulled chicken in the oven while I'm gone. I'm gonna cook this at 125 Celsius, which is roughly 260 Fahrenheit for 3 hours or so. Anyway, tag along and I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. Okay, so this is fairly simple. I'm gonna start mixing a spice mix in a bowl to get rid of all the spices here. So first off, I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of basil leaves, dried basil, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of citrus garlic spice. Gonna give that a whisk just to mix it up. So this is what it looks like. It's like a herby paste. Anyway, put that to the side. And then of course, I've got 4 chicken breasts. I'm just gonna pop them in form. I'm not gonna do anything with them. Pop them in like so. I think that's gonna be good enough. And then what's gonna constitute as wet ingredients in this, I'm gonna be using 4 garlic cloves. I'm just going to slice them up. There we go. I'm going to throw that into the spices. Then I'm going to chop up 1 onion. There we go. Just put it on the chicken. Mix this all up in the end. Then we need to add the tomatoes. There we go. And then we're gonna add spice mixture to this. Mix it all up. I do believe that tomatoes are gonna produce enough liquid for this. I don't want too much in there. It's not gonna be a stew. Just want the chicken to cook finally. And there we go. I'm gonna wrap this in aluminum foil and put it in the oven for, well, until I'm back home, say in 3 hours. Okay, so it's been 4 hours actually. Time to check this. Let's see what's what. I haven't looked inside this, so I really have no idea what to expect. But the whole house smells very nice though. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this is gonna pull fine. I'm just gonna pull this apart. Mix it all up. Well, I'm gonna plate this up. I'm gonna get some veggies, and then it's time to eat. Okay, and there we go, some pulled chicken. This smells like a lot of garlic. That is super tender. 4 hours in the oven would do that to it. This turned out really well. A good meal to cook when you're not at home if you want to go slow. Thank you for watching. Bye.